This video we're going to make floating point safe operations. So what does that mean? Well, let's say we have this, or let's convert it to 0.1 plus 0.2. Now obviously this is 0.3, but there's a little error. This is due to how computers store numbers with binary code and how they store decimal numbers. They store still with binary code, but with negative power. So for example, they represent decimals this way. So okay. And if you do it like this, you just can't get every single number to be exactly accurate. So we're going to try to fix that for the four main operations. So floating point safe operations, and we'll take numbers as fractions. One, numerator 1, denominator 1, numerator 2, denominator 2. So let's think about this. Let's say we have 1 over 10 and 2 over 10. What we need to do is find the common denominator. Now these already have the common denominator, so let's do 40 over 20. So it's the same thing, but now more complicated. So what we can do, hold on, let me think about this. Okay, so let's try this. So let ratio equals denom 2 divided by denom 1. So then we'd have, in this case, it'd be 2. And then fixed num 2 equals num 2 divided by ratio. And then let's return num 1 plus fixed num 2 divided by that 1. And this only works for addition so far. There you go. And if we were to do 420, still same thing. There you go. And then if we were to multiply it, I think we can actually just multiply it by so nope. And then all we need to do is switch operation case case plus break, then case minus return and then let's have a default. And let's just return addition. And it works. Let's do some really complex fractions, like let's divide that. That's probably irrational. Let's test it out. So let's do 234 divided by 346 divide by 346 234. Okay, I messed that up. 234 divided by 6 divided by 346 divided by 234. Huh. Let's try it. Let's try it with 4, 1, 2, 1. That should be 2. Yep. I don't think it's wrong. I think I just mistyped it. Also, shouldn't that not be 1? Okay. No, it would have been 1 if I flipped it, I think. Oh, I need to do... Okay, so there's something wrong with my logic then. So, okay. I could probably simplify that. There it is. And which one is more accurate? 7, 8, 5, 0, 4, 5, 1. So irrationals is not the best, but for pure floating, for irrational numbers, I think it's fine. We can probably simplify this. Oh yeah, we can. There it is. There it is. Alright. So that's how to make floating point safe operations in JavaScript. So if you want,